Today, let's take a look at the production process of shiitake mushrooms. The raw materials used in this factory's culture medium mainly consist of sawdust and rice husks. A multifunctional loader is used to scoop the materials into a mixing machine, and water are added and mixed thoroughly. The ratio of the medicinal solution is 1. Once the mixture is complete, the culture medium is divided into cylindrical bags and moved into a high-temperature sterilizer. This process eliminates all the bacteria in the culture medium. After sterilization and cooling, workers make holes in the culture medium. The holes are then sealed with tape. Humid mushroom room for cultivation. When the mushroom spores begin to proliferate on a large scale, holes are made at the inoculation sites to allow air circulation. Once the mycelium has covered the entire culture medium, the plastic bags are removed and moved to a well-lit mushroom room for further cultivation. Water is sprayed to moisten the surface of the culture medium, keeping it at the right humidity. Before the mushroom caps open, the culture medium is wrapped in plastic wrap. To reduce the loss of nutrients and moisture, workers make a hole to expose the shiitake mushrooms and allow them to grow freely. During this period, proper ventilation and irrigation are necessary. Once the mushroom caps have fully expanded and reached maturity, they are ready for harvest.